The Smart Lock VSL-2000 ensures your home is secure by automatically locking the door seconds after it is closed, making it perfect for those who are often in a rush or arrive home late at night. With an integrated video doorbell and camera, this smart lock allows you to see and communicate with visitors from anywhere, enhancing your home security and providing peace of mind. Offering 5 different unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition and app control, this lock provides flexibility and convenience for all members of the household. You can generate up to 300 temporary passcodes for guests, eliminating the need to leave keys under the doormat and ensuring secure access for cleaners, contractors, or friends. Powered by 4 AA batteries that last over 8 months, the lock is low maintenance and includes a USB-C port for emergency power, ensuring it operates reliably in any weather condition. Designed for easy installation, it requires no drilling or wiring, making it an excellent choice for renters or those who prefer a quick and simple setup.